Alright guys, sorry I haven't been able to upload because I got a lot of school going on, so I am going to show you something that I actually got. So you guys know I have 8 subscribers now. I don't really check my YouTube channel, I just check it from my playlists that I sometimes use to watch music or watch a video. I got this when I reached 5 subscribers. Now, I went to school, and my friend, name, keep copyright. So I'm gonna call my friend. So he gave me this. It's this. So you guys know, like 100,000 subscribers, silver play button, 1 million subscribers, gold, 10 million, diamond, and I got a cardboard. And look at something back. It says, how am I gonna, I'm gonna read for you. It says 5 sub, congrats, Leon Navarro from a friend. So, how you guys been doing? Comment down below, And I make really short vines, so if you like really short, well not vines, so if you like really short vlogs, subscribe and turn on notifications off. Alright, bye!